Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update, and this will be the final day of rain this week, and we are looking at some heavy rain this morning, so the flash flood watch continues until 6 p.m. Sabine and Natchitoches parishes have been removed from the watch as the heavier rain now pushing into the northern Arklatex, and you can see everybody along the I-30 corridor that was not in the watch yesterday is included in the flash flood watch today, as we've already had several inches of rain in the past few days, and there is definitely more on the way this morning. You can see on PINPOINT Doppler, we do have quite a few showers and a few isolated thunderstorms ongoing across the region. Rain is a little bit heavier this morning, and you can see that just indicated by the yellow, the red that we are seeing with the radar, and most of this now moving north of Interstate 20, so it does look like the heaviest rain going to play out across northeast Texas and southern Arkansas, as well as McCurtain County in the upcoming hours. As a bonus, we do have meteorologist Jesse Kelly out in the thunder truck this morning. It looks like he will be headed up to the Texarkana area just to kind of monitor roadway conditions. So if you tune into our newscast this morning, he will be providing us live updates either from the side of the road or through thunder truck, just kind of keeping an eye on things for the morning commute for you folks that live along the I-30 corridor. So here's a look at what's happening. We do have a warm front that's lifting across the region this morning. That's what's kind of pushing some of that rain up to the north here. And we do have a final sweep of a cold front that will make its way through, and you can see the upper level low now in New Mexico and West Texas. That will continue to kind of nudge all of this off to the east, and once that low gets overhead, we will begin to see that drying trend as we move through the day. So here's a look at your Robinson FutureCast. Always like to see that it lines up very well with where the rain is this morning, and it is definitely doing that. So it does show, again, conditions pretty sloppy through the morning commute here, so I do anticipate we will see some flooded roads across the northern Arklatex, and you see the rain does continue through at least mid-morning, but we should begin to see things dry out across East Texas, Oklahoma. Late morning for Arkansas and Louisiana, the steady, heavier rain will come to an end this afternoon. Could have a few lingering showers out there this evening, but that heavy rain threat again coming to an end as that flash flood watch will end at 6 p.m. And you see the drying conditions as we move through the night tonight. Should have some sunshine back for you Thursday and Friday, and it looks like drier conditions now through the weekend. Here's a look at the anticipated rainfall totals. This will just be today into this evening. You can see some 1 to 3 inch amounts along the I-30 corridor. Generally, I-20, Marshall over to Shreveport and points to the south. At this point, maybe half an inch to an inch of rain, and could be even a little bit less than that. Temperatures, real quick, we are in the 30s and 40s. It's a very cold morning for us, and that's not going to change much today. Actually, you have that warm front lifting in south of I-20, so we may see 60-degree temperatures in Natchitoches, 54 in Shreveport, and 48 in Texarkana. Could do have just kind of a low-end severe weather risk, mainly across Natchitoches Parish late this morning, early this afternoon. If we're able to tap into some of that warm air and some of those thunderstorms get going, we could see some high wind gusts there, but the severe weather threat for the day today is primarily going to be off to the east of the Arklatex. So look at, again, your 7-day forecast does show conditions drying out for your Thursday, Friday. It is going to be cold. We're looking at temperatures in the 50s each day. Will likely be at or below freezing in most areas Thursday night into Friday morning. Weekend looking pretty good. We've taken that rain chance out early in the weekend. Just slight chance of showers on Sunday, and it looks like another cold front will kind of stall across the region next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. At this point, it looks like we could see some 2 to 4 inch accumulations of rain across the northern Arklatex as we continue through next week, so that could renew some of the flash flooding concerns early next week.